Shut off power at the circuit breaker or fuse panel before removing the old fixture or installing a new one. Remove the 3 post caps, diffuser, and first decorative ring and set aside. Drive the 2 screws into the electrical junction box until there is about 3/8 of an inch between the ceiling and the underside of the screw head. Connect the junction box ground wire, green or copper, with the fixture ground wire using a wire nut. Connect the black supply lead to the black fixture wire, and the white supply lead to the white fixture wire using wire nuts. Push excess wire up into the junction box. Line up the screw heads to the larger round end of the keyhole slots. Twist clockwise until both screw heads are captured in the narrow channels of the keyhole slots. Tighten the screws securely. Put the diffuser and decorative ring into place. Attach the post caps and secure the diffuser ring to the fixture pan. Restore power to the electrical box to make sure the fixture is working properly.